Welcome learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things starting with the letter I. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, ice cream. Delicious. Look at all those different flavours and toppings and sauces. Often you get ice cream in an ice cream shop. Look at all those different flavours there. What's your favourite? Number 2, insects. There are over 1 million different types of insects. And this one, a dragonfly, goes back 300 million years. Look at the size of this butterfly in a butterfly house. How cool! Number 3, an igloo. An igloo is like a house made out of large ice blocks. They're quite warm inside because it protects you from the cold. Number 4, your imagination. Your imagination are the thoughts and the ideas and the games that you might play. Children use their imagination, and so do adults too. Number 5, an island. An island is surrounded by water, like this seawater. They often have really lovely beaches, and also they have lots of fish. Wow, doesn't that look cool? Number 6, an instrument. An instrument is like that, a musical instrument. There's lots of different types and they all make different sounds. Sometimes when you get lots of instruments together, they create something called an orchestra. Number 7, an iguana. An iguana is like a large sort of lizard. They eat little things like flies and other insects, but they can also eat leaves too. Amazing. Number 8, an idea. An idea is a little bit like your imagination too. They can often come after you've talked to someone and you might think, I have an idea, a thought. Number 9, the internet. The internet is really important nowadays. All of the videos, messages, emails, pictures, our phones, the computers, they all use the internet. It's a way to communicate. And finally, number 10, ice. Ice is what you get when you cool water down to 0 degrees. It turns solid, which is ice. Cool. Thanks for watching. See you again.